We will move on to the second article of today's editorial, that is it's the first article of today's editorial, that is safe session. Okay, we'll move on quickly. Parliament not only needs more space during a pandemic but also more time. So, it is about it's a period of pandemic going on. So it doesn't only need more space, but the parliament also needs more time. The parliament session from September 14 will see many firsts. From September 14, the parliament session will see many firsts. The Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha will alternate the sittings so that the members can spread over both chambers to ensure physical distancing necessitated by the COVID-19 pandemic. The Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha will have their alternating sittings so that they will maintain a physical distance between each other because of the COVID-19 pandemic going on. Even when the visitor galleries will be occupied by the MPs, though the visitor galleries are occupied by the MPs, there will be 18 sittings without any weekend break or holiday. In the parliament, there will be 18 sittings without any break or a holiday. There will be 18 sittings without any weekend break or holiday. The break between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. would use to disinfect the chambers. Okay. The presiding officers of both houses have had trail runs. The presiding officers of both houses have had trail runs, but it will be a tough act for them and the MPs who are used to huddling together and speaking aloud to deliberate across two chambers and keeping a safe distance from one another. So what they are saying is, in the parliament, two leaders, right, from the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. What they are discussing is, it is a little bit tougher task for us. Why? Because these MPs and all these were fighting with each other and they speak aloud with each other. But in the meanwhile, if the fighting was too big, they come near each other. So to maintain a safe distance, they have to face many huddlings, and it will be very deliberate. So huddling is when a crowd together, gather, or you can say thronged flock. Everyone huddled round the fire to keep warm. Deliberate is not intentional, calculated, careful, cautious. This was a deliberate attempt to wreck the peace talks. There will be no question ever. So, generally in Parliament, there will be a time for questioning, but there is no question hour. Though members can get written answers to written questions. Okay. The 0 hour, where any member can raise issues of urgent national importance, will not be an hour, but only 30 minutes. So, national issues, national problems, that is called the 0 hour, but now it will be reduced to 30 minutes only. The opposition has gone quiet on these changes in parliamentary modalities after some initial objections. Recently, the assemblies of opposition ruled states like Kerala, Rajasthan, Punjab, and West Bengal met, and none of them had a question ever. The executive branch has expanded its power globally in the wake of the pandemic, and not rarely using it as a facade for aggrandizement. Facade is nothing but front or face or aspect. He kept his hostility hidden blind of a friendly facade. Aggrandizement is the act of increase in power or wealth. He never sought managerial power for self-aggrandizement. The attenuation of Parliament, overshadowed by a strong executive, has been a concern in India even before the pandemic. In ensuring executive accountability and voicing people's concerns, Parliament's role was found wanting. In lawmaking, it was increasingly being railroaded by the executive. The unhealthy trends appear to have been accelerated by the pandemic. Unhealthy trends is nothing but to be accelerated is nothing to move up, to raise because of the pandemic. The government must be held accountable by Parliament on the management of the pandemic, but that is not all. There is a long list of issues that requires detailed attention and deliberation by people's by people's representatives, such as China's aggression on the LAC, the challenges on the economic front, the centre's refusal to meet its commitment to states under the GST regime, the coming election in Bihar, in the midst of the pandemic, the situation in Jammu and Kashmir, and worsening ties with India's neighbors. The Congress has been combative. Combative is nothing but ready or eager to fight, pugnacious, or you can say it is aggressive. When the police tried to arrest him, he became combative on these issues while the government has not been very responsive. Regional parties in the power appear too overwhelmed. Overwhelmed is nothing but suppose if it's the day of my birthday, you all people will be wishing me. So what I will be overwhelmed by your wishes. So have a strong emotional effect. Drawn beneath a huge mass, engulf, submerge. Okay. Overwhelmed. Where are we? Overwhelmed by the pandemic to pay attention to other issues. The bill to replace taxation and other laws. Other laws indicates relaxation of certain provisions. Ordinance 2020, which will seek to amend the Income Tax Act to enable 100% deduction to donations made to the PM CARES Fund, is a controversial one among them. The opposition and the government must work together to turn the sections into an opportunity to share views on all these questions and present a united reassuring front before the country. Okay, so what our first article is also completed, and what are you thinking about the first article? So just it's also suggestive, and also like what does it say? It just says about like parliament is going to start again, and what are the precautions they are going to take, and what else is going on in that. And I thank every one of you for watching this video, and I hope every one of you understood this video. Thank you very much.